Whenever I was up to some mischief, my adults would tell me, don't do that, God will pierce your eyes. So we all grow up being scared of God. And why not being scared? Especially when the gods and goddesses were to look like this one. Temples grow like mushrooms everywhere, so I call them mushroom temple. I don't mind the good old temples with their beautiful architecture, but these ones on the roadsides, they only create traffic jams and pollution. And the music is always too loud. Good morning, interneters. As promised in my last vlog, we are on the way to the Veerambatnam beach to try to buy some crabs. I am driving in an area which is being developed to welcome tourists. The Auroville beach, where the tourists go usually, is getting jam-packed. I hit the camera on the bushes. But the Veerambatnam beach has a very large sand space and there is nobody who comes here. So it is time to develop it with food courts and amusement parks and what not. There is nothing better than the coastal areas like this town Pondicherry if you want to buy fresh seafoods. We have reached the fisherman's village of Veerambatnam, but I can't see any fishermen. All the boats are empty and resting. I saw a lonely man sitting on the sand. He looks like he had just slept on the beach and woken up. So I asked him if there was any possibility of buying any fish. He said, no, not before 8:30. But he heard another boat coming back further up. Do you see this hut on the right? Completely made of dried coconut tree leaves. This is how all the poor people used to live once. I hit the camera again. Then I parked the bike and got closer to find out what they had as catch. This fisherman was an actor. He was trying to warn me against drug addicts who attack people like me to take whatever I have to buy drugs. I told him that I was not scared as he was there to protect me. Instead of talking too much, I told him to show me some crabs. Immediately, he rummaged in the net and showed me this big one. This would be tasty if you were to fry it. The others were smaller, they would be good for a sauce. This is a good diet if you had a cold or a sore throat. One of his assistants came to try to remove it from the net. See the fun. This crab was a super intelligent one. With one claw, it was holding on to the net, and with the other one, it was trying to bite him.
அதுக்கு தான் நான் கம்மியாக சொல்கிறது. அதுதான் எப்படின்னா நீங்கள் வாங்கணும் நானும் வாங்கணும் நான் ஆசை இப்போல்லாம் எல்லாம் மூடி.
The bargaining process was big fun. They said you should pay me a lot because we have a tough life. We went so far away to catch this. And I said, man, have pity on me. I have come so far away to buy from you.
நண்டு வாங்கி போகிறேன்.
I was pulling his leg for taking so long. He said, in the water it is easier to catch them, but on the ground they twist their body to bite you.
நாளைக்கு மாதிரி நல்லா குடிக்கும். அது ஒரு நண்டு ஆகும் பார்த்தா 900 1000
Finally, then he went to find a rope to tie its claws. There were some which were too small to be edible, so they asked me to release them in the water. See, I put one upside down so they doesn't bite me. I was nervous. Back home, I wanted to see the reaction of my kitten Oreo vis-a-vis this crab. Go for some clowning. As the crabs are being cooked, I'll show you a special effect that I call two C's.